heart to people. They were in the summertime.
Oh, yeah, you did already.
Yeah.
Oh, we see.
How's Braintree?
Yeah.
Hey, how's Braintree? You're on the tempo with all the coaches.
Yeah, so pretty good. It was very,
They must like you in the credit union.
I said to the guy now.
This is my first time.
my first one.
Ayan. Yan, ito sa'yo. Yan. Ito nga sa'yo eh. Okay. Ayan, picture. Take a picture po. All right here. There you go. Okay, go.
Get your numbers, kid.
Get your numbers. Okay. Right here. I'm number 1. Okay. Yeah, number 1. Right here. Right. 10 today. Okay, yeah. What else? Anything else? Anyone else? That's it. Okay. Alan. Okay. Congratulations,
Biggie guy.
Ito. Di ba kalate o?
He just made his first communion last week.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Sabay lang. So good. And I like that even it's cool.
Wala ka talaga. Wala ka sa loob eh. Pwede Bibigyan tayo. Don't give more to one joke still, okay?
So it's taco sauce, not salsa.
Richard, you let me know if you're stuck, okay? You let me know, okay? It's not like,
I'm good. This one does good. He plays hockey.
But I don't think that you're gonna be drunk with this kind of weather.
Yeah, Cheng.
Number 8.
Number 8. Number 1. Number 8.
Number 1.
I think that will my go-to for party.
Yeah, it is.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Ito, number 1. Number 8, number 1. Tatawagin mo lang. Oo, karambola.
Picture.
Here. Para kay Jen, congratulations, Jen.
Congratulations.
Ayan, picture.
I brought nachos. I forgot to bring
Kamera.
I brought
Ito, si ano?
Richard.
Richard, ano ba yan? Video o camera?
Salute.
Salute.